Hello, it's Wendy from Windway Creations. Hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm going to be doing some stamping. I bought some stamps. These are silicone clear stamps from Globeland, I believe in England. I ordered them from Amazon, and they're Egyptian stamps. So that's what I'm going to be using today, because I'm still continuing on with my Egyptian theme. So I'm going to pick out a few stamps. I'm going to put them onto my mounting block, and I'm going to ink it without getting ink everywhere on my mounting block. And I've just got some packing paper from your Amazon parcels that you get. That's okay. Probably do it with a bit more. Not too much down there. Get that off there. That's blue. Why have I got blue on that one? Oh, I've got blue on it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is just use these scraps on some of the my cards. Oh, that's black. That's 3 of the black. I'm going to do 3 with blue of these. Oh, that's bright. See how that comes up. Oh yeah, better than the black actually. I think my black might be a bit dry. Might need to put some more water on it. I've got some rose colour that I want to use. What is it? Yeah, rosebud. I'm just going to do some red ones, just for variety, because I've got 4 signatures to fill here. Oh yeah, it's come up okay. Now the falcon is Horus. Horus? Yes. In Egyptian mythology. Very good. I'm just going to clean my stamps as I go. Put him back where he belongs. Come on, get back there. Now, what do I want? Let's have some of these ones. Oh, the Eye of Horus. Let's do that one. Okay. So check, make sure I'm in shot. Yep. I'm just going to add some more. Actually, this is black. The other one's London Fog. Let's try this one. It might be a bit darker. Oh, yep, that's better. The other one's a grey. Oh, I hope everyone's been busy. Nobody shares anything with me. Wish you would. I'd love it. I'd love to hear what you're doing and making. If anybody else is making an Egyptian, or even just your own specific style. Junk journal. I'd love to hear about it. Yeah, so I've just torn these strips off here. I'm just going to get the blue and do blue. This is Bahama blue. I think I moved that one when I put it down. I did it too quick. So there's some blue ones. Going to do Bast the cat on this one. He's usually black, but I'm just going to do a few blue ones. One more in the blue, and we'll change colour. Oh, there's some black ones, because that's what colour he usually is. Just got to tear off some. I'm just going to spray some water on this, because it's probably a bit dry. Ooh, got dropsy. He looks good black. So what I'm going to do is just use that. I don't know if I'm going to make some little clusters for the tops of my pages and bulk out the top of my pages, because you know how you put all your pockets at the bottom and the top doesn't get bulked out. If you put some clusters and over the top page pockets, things like that, that bulks out the top of your junk journal and is helps even it out a bit. I've got ink all over my fingers. Great. Where did he come from here? So yeah, just put in, all I did was I went onto Amazon and put in Egyptian stamps, or rubber Egyptian stamps, and this is what it came up with. So I just ordered that and they sent this from England. So, and that's all I wanted. So I'll do some more later, but yep, that's basically what I wanted to do today. Just a very quick video, because I did a fairly long one the other day. So yep, have some fun stamping. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.